Hey, today is Saturday, and I had a taste for some good old juicy Cajun corn. And as you can see right here, baby, take a bite. Well, we're getting ready to prepare right here. I am tearing off the foil because we need that to wrap the corn in. And I'm going to demonstrate it right here. But before you do that, make sure you all wash your corn off. Make sure it's no extra stuff you don't want on there. But I washed the corn off, and that is my all-purpose season. And I'm just going to douse it with it. Now, you can use as much of this season as you like because this do not have any salt in it. You can add a little salt to your preference. But right here, I'm just making sure that I get it all in the kernels, honey, because we want this season all through. Then the foil that I tore off, I'm going to put a little butter, just a little butter. Baby, butter what? Tell me. Butter makes it taste better. So I'm going to place the corn in the center of the foil, and I'm going to cut up probably like 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of butter. And you gotta use that real butter. And then I'm just gonna stack it aside. And I wanna actually add a little bit more of my all-purpose season. Like I said, you can use as much as you like. And then I'm going to wrap it in the foil. Seal it up real good. Make sure you seal the sides because you don't want none of that butter or that juice to come out. I'm going to do one more for you. Watch. Easy breezy recipes, baby. There you go. Now, you probably want to know, how did I cook that so fast? Well, you know it's through the editing. But I actually put that on the grill. My husband was barbecuing that day, so I had him to put it on the grill. But you can also put it in your oven or your air fryer. So let's dig in, baby, because this is so delicious. And you see how piping hot it is? Baby, enjoy.